Hello and welcome to Grahakya by Udyam Vyapar. To install Grahakya on your phone, go to Chrome and paste the link that has been given to you. After the page appears, click on the three dots at the top of your screen and click on Install App or Add to Home Screen. Once the app has been added to your home screen, click on it and start your journey. Sign in with your email ID. You will receive a PIN on your email ID. Go to your email and put the PIN in here. Sometimes the PIN may also be in your spam folder. Make sure to check it out. Once you have signed in, you will see the welcome screen, something like this. Now we want to personalize the app. To do so, click on the three lines on the top left, click on the person icon and click on edit in the top right. Add your details such as your name, your phone number, your shop name, your business type such as clothes, toys, etc. Choose your language and click on the tick in the top right. Now you can select a photo as well to personalize your app even further. This photo could be your own photo or the logo of your business or your shop. I am clicking a photo here and uploading it as my shop picture. Wait for the photo to upload. Your profile is now ready. Go to the My Referrals page now after clicking on the cross button here. On the My Referrals page, we can see something like this. This says, you have 0 referral customers in your system. To add more referral customers, send below message to them. This message says, Hi, I am Kritika. I run a clothes shop called Kritika Boutique. Since you are my regular customer, I would like to give you an offer. Refer a customer to me and you get a discount on their first purchase. This discount can be availed on your next purchase at my shop. This is basically informing your customers that you have an offer running, which is a referral marketing offer. What you can do now is copy this message and send it to your customers on WhatsApp. Paste it on WhatsApp and you have sent it to your customers. Like this, you can run several offers that tell your customers about the referral marketing offer that you have going on. Next, go to the main page screen. It has 4 options. Add a new customer, add a referred customer, check old customer and add discount to referrer. Now let's go over these one by one. Whenever a new customer comes to our shop and purchases something from us, we will click on Add a new customer and add them in. Now, to add a customer, let's input their details. Add the customer number, add the customer name, and click on the tick mark. What this has done now, this has added Vibhor as my customer in my system. Now you can see a few messages here, a few buttons. One says edit discount value. The second one says send referral offer message to customer. And the third says send discount information to customer. Let's check out what send referral offer message to customer does. Let's click on this green button here. It takes us to WhatsApp where it gives us a message. Congratulations on your purchase at my shop, Kritika Boutique. To get discounts at my shop, refer customers to me and get a discount on their first purchase. This is basically informing your customer right after they have bought something from you that you have a nice offer running for them and that they can avail it. In case you don't like this message, you can also edit it from the screen here and then send it to your customer. Go back to the app. Now, let's check out what add a referred customer does. Add a referred customer basically adds someone who has been referred by another customer to you. So let's say Vibhor, who was my previous customer, has referred someone called Mehvash to my shop. Let me add Mehvash now. Let's say Mehvash has come to my shop and has bought something from me. I asked Mehvash, did you come to know about my shop from anyone? She says, yes, Vibhor told me about it. And so right after Mehvash's bill has been done, I'll add her to this system. So I add Mehvash here. I've added Mehvash's name and number. Now, I need to add the referrer number. That is, the person who referred Mehvash to my shop, I need to add their number, which is Vibhor's number. So I ask Mehvash for the referrer number and she gives it to me. And I have added it here. Now I click on the tick mark. Now what this has done is it has checked that Vibhor has referred Mehvash to me and so it's asking me to give discount to Vibhor. Now let's say Mehvash bought something for 500 rupees from me. That's a lot of value that I have gotten because of Vibhor's referral of Mehvash to me. So I can give Vibhor some discount in return for this. Let me click on add discount on referral and enter a discount value for Vibhor. Let's say I want to give him a discount of 50 rupees. Click on tick mark. Now it basically shows me that Vibhor has last referred someone on 14 January. These are the people Vibhor has referred to me up till now. And this is the discount available, which is 50 rupees. Now I can click on the third button, which is send discount information to customer, and send a message to Vibhor letting him know how much discount he has. Let me click on this button. And here you can see the message says, hi, you have a total discount of rupees 50 at my shop Kritika Boutique because you referred a customer to me. Next time when you come to my shop, please remember to avail this discount. And I can send it to my customer. If you don't like this message and you want to edit it, you can also edit it from this message box. Now that we have sent a message to our customer letting them know how much discount they have, let us see what happens when a repeat customer comes to my shop asking for a discount. Let's go back to the app. Now let's say Vibhor has come back to our shop after a few days because he knows that he has a discount available. And he says, hey, I want to buy something from you. This is my bill and this is what the purchase amount will be like. Can you check if I have any discounts left? So what we will do is we will click on check old customer, search for Vibhor's number, as you can see, Vibhor comes on top. Let's click on it. Yes, we can see that Vibhor has rupees 50 discount available. We can also see why he has rupees 50 discount available because Vibhor has referred these people to us. So we click on this and we find that because he referred Mehvash, he has 50 rupees discount available. So now to give Vibhor the discount of 50 rupees, we will click on edit discount value for customer. Let's click on this. Now to give the discount to Vibhor on the purchase, let's click on give discount on purchase. How much discount do we want to give? We can choose to give the entire 50 rupees or we can choose to give something lesser, which may be 25 rupees or 30 rupees. Here I am choosing to give 50 rupees as discount. So I am giving 50 rupees discount to Vibhor and I'll click on the tick mark here. Now as you can see, discount available has become 0. Now I can send discount information to Vibhor letting him know that he has availed a discount today at my shop and total discount left for him is 0. So let's click on send discount information to customer. And now it says, hi, you have received a discount today at my shop Kritika Boutique. To get more discounts, refer other customers to me. And we can send it to the customer. Let's go back to the app. So now we have seen what happens when a new customer comes in, when a referred customer comes in, and when a repeat customer comes into our shop. Let's see what our My Referrals page looks like. As you can see over here it says you have one referral customer in your system. To add more referral customers, send below message. So each time a referred customer is added to our business, the number increases here. That's it. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Add customers to Grahakya and begin your word of mouth and referral marketing now. Thank you.